On the screen we have code. Here we have ESP8266, and what we have to do is to upload the code to the device. Here we have the monitor, and here we can check what is the progress of uploading the code. And after a while the device will attempt to connect to your local network. Its IP ends with 16, so let's see what will happen if we use this IP in our browser on the device that is in the same network. The device responded with some text, which is in fact an instruction on how to use it from now on. So we can use, for example, we can check status of this device, of the LED diode on the device. The diode is turned off, so the status is 0. We can also see on the serial monitor that the device sends information that it received a request and sent a response. Okay, now we switched the diode, the LED. Now we switch it again on, and we can check status if it will tell us that the LED is on. Yes, it is on because the diode is on. Now we will use some other device that is not connected to the ESP, and we will try to connect to it. Here I have some wrong IP, so it ends with 22, and we can check that it does nothing in fact, because we have to have the proper IP for this to work. So let's change it to 16 as it should be. And now we will see what happens. Okay, I turned it off and on again, and off and turned on. And that's it. Thank you for the attention.